Today it has marked 30 years since the referendums to make Quebec independent. How do they feel? I feel amazing here out protesting. We need independence. It just warms my heart that I'm out here. Now they're crawling through the streets with Quebec flags, just crawling everywhere through Montreal like low ants when they find a bit of sugar on your floor. Personally, I think that we just should gain independence, declare war on them. We'll probably win. I mean, really? Thank you for interviewing me. I believe that we can gain independence. Just keep trying. Stay strong, Quebecians. Here they are, waving flags. Just cannot stop crawling and there are chanting for their lives, independence, independence. Wow. Shows you how much they really care for their province. Look at this. I do not know how to read French. I find it amazing that all these people come together and unite, and we just come here to protect our French heritage, and it warms my heart too, you know? We will gain independence. They should just never stop trying. One day it'll eventually work out. And yeah, we hope that one day. I really hope that one day independence comes. Waving their flags just proudly. They could not be more. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following provinces have declared war on Canada by gaining independence. We hope to get help from the NATO members. Alberta, Ontario, and Quebec. We would recommend staying in shelter and try not to get involved with any of the intense stuff that's happening over there. And we would recommend just stay in your homes. We will keep you updated.
A message from the Government of Canada.
Texas, Steve, Texas.